To enable advanced internet protection on the Pixel 11 Pro, just start by opening System Settings, go for the Google Services, and now open All Services. Next, what you have to do is just to keep scrolling until we find this option. It will be available over here, the Advanced Protection. Now take a look. It actually helps defend against online attacks, harmful apps, and some insecure connections. So click on this switcher to turn it on. There's also short information. You should actually get familiar with this one. There we go. You can also change the Google account that is going to start using this. And now click here to continue. Now as you can see, we have to click to turn it on. Now we have to confirm with our screen lock. And as you can see, here we are.